You won't believe how awesome this tool is for cleaning a dirty ceiling fan. My ceiling fan was so dirty and I hate cleaning it. So I set out to find a tool that would make it easier. And you'll love what I found. This thing is so awesome. Okay, let's get this out of the box. Okay, this looks pretty interesting. This is the duster part of the tool. And before that, we just pulled out the bar that we'll put together and attach to this. So let's open both of these up and put them together. So far, I'm definitely intrigued by this. I'm curious to see how well it works. When I looked it up on Amazon, it definitely looked pretty good, had decent ratings. So excited to try it. So once you get the plastic off, you'll just take the pieces of the bar here and you'll just start attaching them together. So keep watching and I'll show you how to do that. Here's a little instruction card you can take a look at briefly that shows you how it goes together as well. Okay, let's put this together. So first you'll just take one of the pieces and put the smaller end into the one that has the little screw that sticks out, and then you start twisting it and just screw it in tight. And there you go, I'll show you exactly what that looks like inside. So you can see there's a screw on one side and then the hole with the threads on the other. So you'll just put those together and again, just twist all the way until it feels snug. So you'll do that to the handle and then the other part of the bar. So this part isn't too hard. Just do it with each of the pieces. And as you can see there, same kind of thing. Just stick it inside there where the screw is, twist, and tighten it up. Now I'm just going to make sure each section is snug. So just kind of go through each and continue to tighten. Feels good to me. So now you're just going to take the bar and screw it on to the duster head, and then you'll be done. Sweet. Looks like we're ready to try this out. So now I'm just kind of fluffing it up just to make it more effective. If you look inside here, there's kind of a little slit or hole, and that's what you'll be sliding over the fan blades on the ceiling fan. It's a little tricky to open it up, but you can see I could fit my hand inside there, and now I'll show you how to do it on the fan itself. So on the fan, you can see the dust gathers on the end there and along the side of the blade, and definitely on top of the fan blades. So the sweet thing about this tool is it goes around the entire fan blade and will clean the dust off all at once. Sweet, just slides right on. And then you just pull it back like this, and it's pulling dust off as you go. This is super sweet. I know it's going to save me a ton of time. In the past, I've got up on a stool and just basically took a rag and had to wipe it off that way. It gets messy if you do it that way without a wet rag. And then if you do it with a wet rag, it kind of sticks to the rag and really just, to me, wasn't very effective. This thing's sweet because you can just stand. You don't have to grab a stool and just reach up with the bar like this and just glide it across each of the blades. And the nice thing about the duster head is that it basically will have a little bit of static in it when you shake it, and that helps to attract the dust to it. Similar to any of the other dusters you may have used that are smaller, but that have kind of these types of fibers in the fabric. All right, just kind of twisting the fan as I go, just about done here with it. And now we've got all the blades clean, and you can see all the dust there on the duster head. And now you can take a look at the fan, nice and clean. Looks sweet. I'll be using this a lot more often to keep it clean a lot more often and not let the dust build up so thick. To get all the dust off of it so I can reuse it, I'm just going to shake it out off the back deck, and I think we're good. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos from Dan Good Dad.